Welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to explain a 16-bit subtraction using 8085 microprocessor. Okay. So already we know that this 8085 microprocessor performs only that is 8-bit arithmetic operations because it is 8-bit microprocessor. So it performs what 8-bit addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in this video I am going to explain how to perform 16-bit subtraction by using 8085 microprocessor. So before going to see the program, first let us discuss about manual operation. So here for subtraction also, so you need two operands, that is A minus B. Okay, so first operand, so we have to take, that is what 16-bit form, and second operand also we have to take, that is 16-bit form, and you have to perform the subtraction operation. Here the processing is what? Subtraction. Here processing is what? Subtraction. So after subtraction is over, so we have to store the result. Okay, this is the manual concept over here, right? Now I am going to do the operation. So first I am going to take the first data. The first data for accessing first direct 16-bit data is what already I have explained in the previous video. That is 16-bit addition. That is LHLD. So LHLD 4100. So here I am initializing the HL pair as what 4100. So that data HL data as for 4100. So LHLD 4100 indicates, so here for example HL will act as what? Memory reference pointer. HL act as memory reference pointer. Just assume the memory, that is 4100 and 4101, 4102, 4103, right? So these are the memory contents. So whatever the content which is present in this 4100, that is loaded into L register, and 4101 is loaded into H register. That is the meaning of this instruction. So for example I am going to see here for example I am going to use here 01 and 03, right? Now so this data, so at this point, so you are having what, I mean HL contents, so 01 okay, here 01, L contains 01 and H contains 03, right? So here the next I am going to take the second data. So first data is over. Next I am going to take the second data. So in order to get the second data, we have to exchange this data into some other register. So I am going to use here exchange XCHG. This XCHG indicates what? So it is used to exchange data between HL pair and DE pair. Okay, so DE pair. Okay, HL to DE pair. So here HL to DE pair indicates, so here HL is what? Actually 03 and 01 is there now, so that is loaded into DE pair. Okay, this is the actual operation of exchange, right? Now I am going to take the second data, LHLD, that is 410. Next data is all about 4102. So next data is all about what? 4102. So that I am going to use here, for example here I am going to use here 03 and 05. Okay, so here now at this point, what is the HL value? So HL value indicates, so here L indicates what? 03 and 05. So you will get 05 and 03, right? So 05 and 03. Now we have to perform. Now the two data are over. Now the two data are over. So we have to perform the that is subtraction operation. So what is the subtraction operation here? So here one concept is there. So here we are not having direct what subtraction operation in your 16-bit I mean 8085 microprocessor, like, so already we have seen in the last video, that is we are having DAD instruction for addition, but subtraction it is not available. So we have to perform like this. So for example HL data is there and DE data is there. Okay, so you have to separately we have to perform the subtraction operation for L and E, and separate subtraction for H and D. Okay, so we have to perform the subtraction operation for L and E and store the operation, store the data into some location. Similarly H and D store the data into some memory location. So this is the concept over here, right? Now first I am going to perform the least significant bit, L and E, right? So L and E, so for that purpose I am going to what I am going to do now. So here I am going to move okay, so move this L data. So here L data is there now. L data I am going to take into A register. Okay, so move A comma L. So move A comma L indicates at this point. So L what is the L value? L value actually 03. So what is the A value now? 03, right? So 03. Now I am going to use here sub. Okay, sub E. Okay, sub I'm going to use here sub E. So sub E indicates, so what is the sub E actually? So A is subtracted with E. A is subtracted with E. So at this point, so what is the A value? So A value is L content. L content is what? 0 1 0 1 minus E content indicates what? E content indicates here E content. E content, what is the value of E content? Sorry, A content is here. Here A content is 0 3 because here A content is 0 3, but E content is what? 0 1, right? So what is the answer here? 0 3 minus 0 1. 0 3 minus 0 1 is what? 0 2. 0 3 minus 0 1 is what? 0 2. Because so here L content I have moved to A register. So at this point, the first data, this is the first data actually. So HL data, HL data. So L content here, L is 0 3 and H is what? 0 5, right? So updated values. So 0 3 minus 0 1. So you will get 0 2. So you have to store, we have to check the, borrow operation over here. So for borrow operation, for checking borrow operation, you just use here jump no carry loop. Okay, jump no carry loop. Okay, so jump no carry loop means, so if borrow is available, if borrow is there means, so what you have to do? So you have to perform the complement operation, 2's complement operation, that already I have discussed in the 8-bit subtraction. Okay, so you just use here complement operation and complement accumulator and INR A, that is 2's complement notation, right? Now you have to store the result. So jump no carry means skip the loop. Okay, otherwise you have to perform this operation and store the result. Okay, if jump no carry means what? This is the loop here. So loop. Okay, loop. We have to store STA 4300. STA 4300. For example, that 4300 is available. For example, here 4300 is there. So this data, this L data, this first data, this lower content subtraction data is stored into 4300. What is the value? So that is 0 2, right? Now this is the operation is over, right? So here the next what you have to do? You have to do the H minus D operation. So in the previous I have moved L content to A. Now you just move to H content to A. So move A comma H. Okay, move A comma H. So move A comma H means, so H content is moved to A, right? Next, what you have to know? So after moving this one, you write that is SBB. Here SBB. So why I am using SBB, that I will tell you later. Okay. So SBB, subtract with borrow. Subtract with borrow. SBB. SBB here is here D. Sub SBB D. Right. SBB D. So what is the meaning of this instruction? So that is A is subtracted with D and along with what? That is carry flag. Okay, this is the meaning of SBB instruction, right? Now here carry is 0 only because borrow is not generated now in the previous bit. So that is 0 only. So here D value is what actually? So what is the value of D? D is what? 0 3, right? 0 3. What is the value of A? So actually A contains what? That is H content. So what is H content here? Actually H content, where is H content here? 0 5. Okay, there is the second data. This is first data and this is second data, right? So second data is what? 0 5. So now 0 5. So what is the answer? 0 5 minus 0 3 that is 0. 0 2 minus 0, so that is 0 to 1. You will get 0 2, right? So now the operation is over. Now subtraction operation is over. We have to store the result. That is STA 4301. So STA 4301 indicates, so you will get what? 0 2. Okay, then hard the operation. So this is the basic program. So here why I am using SBB D indicates. So in this case, in this example, I took both these values. Okay, HL data as higher number and D and E data are lower numbers. Okay, so this program is applicable for this one. So if you take any value, this one, whether it is lower number to minus higher number or higher minus number minus lower number, but this must be H and D must be higher numbers for this program. Okay, this H and D must be always okay. H is always greater than H must be always greater than D. Okay, this is important. Okay, so H must be always greater than D, but L and E, so you can give any type of data if you use what? SBB D instruction. If you're not using that one means you have to, both H and L should be higher number, and D and E should be lower number. Okay, so this program is fit for, you can use this data, that is lower order data, any type of data, whether this is lower minus some higher, or higher minus lower. Okay, so it support this program. Okay, the answer will come automatically. So but it must be, one condition is there, it must be that H must be always greater than D. Okay, then only this program will work, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so this is the basic program for performing 16-bit subtraction using 8085 microprocessor. Hope you understood and enjoyed this video. So please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you.